Hey there, Calvin. It's Greg T with just a quick. I just wanted to kind of show you what I've done to create the different program pages with the recreational and the competitive table. So I've created a table, if you will. What you're going to see when you log, actually, I'll show you with the other pages with all of it in there. What you see when you go there is going to be just as is, competitive, recreational, and it's set up in such a way so that when the person is on a tablet or phone, they're going to be able to see something a little bit different in here. Let me just kind of show you this. I'm going to pull this down and shrink the page. So this is what will happen here. So you can see it'll say program dates, competitive, recreational, program fees, and it'll do that. So that's how it's going to rebalance, if you will, or reset or reorganize itself for the table so you can read it. Now you notice that those competitive and recreational titles don't show up right with the content here, and that's because we set this up so that it's going to work for both, or I guess all three, desktop, tablet, and phone, depending on what the size of your screen is. So here, I'll show you what you do then. So enabling the visual builder at the top, and it will then, of course, load the page for the editing portion that you can take control of and do what you need to do there. So yeah, here's how we have it. You'll see that competitive and recreational on each of these tables is it's blurred out. Reason being is, I'm just going to show you here, in the advanced section, we've turned it off for desktop, and it's only going to work on phone and tablet. And vice versa for the main titles here at the top, competitive, recreational, those are going to be only desktop and not show up on tablet and phone. Just makes it so it balances nice and you still know exactly what's going on. So all you need to do is go into the where it says content to be added and change your content to what that needs to be for each area. This is the U9. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get out of this page here because that one is set, and no worries. I'll just exit here, and no, we don't need to save anything that we had there, so that's all going to be fine. That one's going to be there, and here is the one for the U7 to 8. That's all been changed, and same thing, I'm in the builder here, so you can see that it's been changed now so that it's just recreational only, because I understand that is the case for this one. And again, exit the builder, and we're going to see here that bang. Now it only shows up this way, and when you shrink the page, let's do that again the same way. Okay, sorry, I'm just dragging this into a new window, its own individual window, so we don't lose anything here as far as what I'm working on. There you go, and it shows up just that way, so you can see that too. Now, what I'm going to have done by the time later on, I'm working on this right after I send you the video, is I'm going to have each page linked. So the way this is going to be set up, kind of cool here, just so you see that, is I'm going to have it set up so each one of these pages here, as you see, is going to be linked via the U7 to 8, U9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, and 17. You can change the born portion, no problem, but these will all be linked, and I have it on every single page, not just the CMSA U7 to 19, but it's going to be on every single one too. So if they go to the U7 8 and they go, okay, that's cool, what's the U9? And they can just click there. So it just makes navigation easy. These are going to be global elements. So once I change the link to go to the correct page after I've created it, they will all work that way. So yeah, that's it. Hope that works. And if you have any questions, reach out, man. Take care.